What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the only software that every detailer should be using in their business today. If you go into my classroom section of my course right here, this is my detailing business in a box, right? So this is a fully customized Go High Level snapshot that I've made for everybody in my group. If you're not familiar with Go High Level, it's a CRM software, manages all your business phone, email, all your conversations, automations, website, funnels, social media scheduling, all kinds of stuff. I'm going to go through what's actually in my snapshot for you guys now. So when you go down here and click Six-Figure Auto Detailer Snapshot, it'll take you into the snapshot right here. And this is what it looks like. So this is where all your texts and emails will come through right here. When somebody messages you, all your contacts will be saved here in the contacts section. You can take payments. We don't. We use Eurobull for payments, but marketing, this is your social media scheduler. So you connect all your social medias here, and then you can just schedule out posts for months and months in advance. Super powerful. This is another $20 per month software if you have this separate. So this is a really great feature to have included. Also, all right. And so for the website, it's a fully customized, fully built out for you website already. You can see the template here, and I've already preloaded all these custom values in there for you. So you can see mobile card detailing in, and then this custom value for location, city, business name. And when you click this button, it automatically adds your booking link. You can see I've done this through the entire website, so it's all done for you. There's a few things you have to do. You got to add a video here from YouTube. Your reviews will load in here once you set up that widget in the back end. All these buttons already linked. You got to add some pictures of cars you've detailed. Link your the Instagram is already going to be linked. So you can see all this stuff is already preloaded for you. Fully customized, built for you website. All you have to do is add some images throughout this thing. Do a little, editing if you want to. You don't have to. It's already done for you. But you can see, so what these custom values mean are if you go into the settings, which this is in the how-to, in the full training in the course, but you go down here to custom values, and then you'll just go through business name, put your business name in here, business owner name, put your name, website URL here, and you just go through and enter all these things, link to your TikTok, link to your YouTube, some location cities, and then that will automatically pull all this info into your website, into all your nurture emails, all your text campaigns. Everything I've already built out for you will take your info from here and automatically input it throughout the snapshot in everything you do. So it makes it super easy to set up. You can set this up in a few minutes and have a fully customized website, email campaigns, SMS campaigns, and it's just a super powerful tool is what I'm saying. Also, your business phone number and your business email will be through here as well. You just set it up here. It's super easy. It's like a couple clicks. You click phone system settings, and then you use LC phone system, and it gives you, one click quick start. It's like cents on the dollar for every text. So very, very, very useful snapshot here that I built for you guys. I'm super excited about this because I've been working on this for a while, and it really is a detailing business in a box for you. All you have to do is enter your info one time, and it makes a website for you. It makes all these email campaigns for you, and I'll show you the campaigns. So I got 5 campaigns built out for you guys already. Ceramic coating nurture. So when you start running ads for ceramic coatings, this one fires in the back end. Gift card campaign, whenever you want to do a gift card campaign, I have that one pre-built out for you. Long-term nurture. When you start hiring employees, I have a new applicant campaign, and then a review raffle. When you want to get some more reviews, you send this out to your customers, and it's just an influx of reviews. So we'll go through these a little bit. So ceramic coating, Facebook lead form to an internal notification. So you get a text at your personal number. Then the customer gets a text and an email. Then it waits a day. Text, email, waits a day. Text, email, waits a day. Then it adds it to the long-term nurture sequence. So that's automatically fires in the back end when you link your Facebook ads form to that campaign, which again, I have a how-to video in the actual training of how to link that and set everything up. Gift card campaign. I think this one's pretty simple, but we send them a text. You're struggling to find a gift for someone special. Wait a day, send a graphic to them, wait a day, and then we give them 20% off. If they don't respond to the first 2 texts, they get a third text that gives them 20% off, and you can change this to 10% off or, whatever you want. But that's how we sell gift cards, especially around Christmas time. Long-term nurture sequence, this is 8 months worth of emails. So you can see just 8 months worth of emails, all about, just staying in touch with your customer, giving them little tips and tricks on how to upkeep their vehicle. And also, it's all funneling it back in case they want to buy a detail. We stay front of mind because most detailers do not contact their customers after they detail their car. They detail it once and they never talk to them again, and they have to go find them on Google, which normally they just go to a competitor, whoever ranks first on Google. So a lot of detailers lose people by not having a long-term nurture sequence. So I have one there for you. When you start finding employees, this is one. It's just a one text. It links to the Facebook ad to find them, and then it sends them tags them as a prospective employee. You get a text that somebody applied, and then they get a text asking for more info. And then review raffle. This is how we do it. We do a giveaway. We give away a full detail. All you have to do is leave a review to enter, and the review link for you automatically pulls from the custom values at the beginning, so you don't have to do anything. This one will already be done. And we've gotten hundreds of reviews like that. But yeah, those are all the campaigns that I have for you guys. This thing is super, super powerful. All the things you have included: business phone, business email, a custom website template for you already pre-built out, conversations tab where you can text and email everybody, 5 automations that are pre-built out for you, already have your info, are already optimized in terms of sales copy. And then there's some other tools in here. If you want to get creative in the YouTube videos, you can look up Go High Level, and this thing is really powerful. If you ever want to make your own workflow, you go up here, you can start from scratch, or they have a bunch of recipes, and you can just drag and drop here, send out texts, send out emails, send out, all kinds of stuff to your customers. If you ever get slow, you can always just make a reactivation campaign, 10% off, or what we do is we'll offer our premium detail for the price of our standard detail. And it's, that way we're not giving a discount. We're just putting a different wax on there. So that's normally what we do if we want to have an influx of customers. But I'm super, super excited about this. If you want to check out this software, you can go to the link below. I'm going to give it to y'all for free. Normally, right now, I've been debating on this for a while, if I should just offer it in my paid group or make a YouTube video about it. And I just want more people to have it, right? I want to get some feedback on it. I want to make it better. And I think the best way to do that is to give it out here on YouTube. Let as many detailers try it as possible. The software is $99 a month, and you get a 2-week free trial when you go below to sign up. So you can try it for 2 weeks for absolutely free. And then eventually, if you want to keep using it, you'll pay $99 a month. But again, you're getting so many different softwares all in one that it's really a steal of a software, and it's all pre-built out for you specifically for auto detailers. But yeah, if you have any questions or have any ideas of videos you want me to make, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I'll read all of them. But yeah, until the next one, I'll see you guys.